We're back, knife enthusiasts, and today we'll be doing the review of the Civivi Odium. This is a smaller knife, about 6.2 inches overall, that is designed with a collaboration between Ferrum Forge Knife Works and the We Knife people for the Civivis. So I'll give you some close-ups of them real quick. This is the Jade or Natural. We'll tell you a little bit about them as we're showing them to you. This knife is 6.2 inches overall. It is based upon the Ferrum Forge Works Archbishop, which is a knife they designed about 2 years ago or so. Very popular model. The handle is just a little bit over 3.5 inch. Blade is 2.65 with a thumb cut out here. Handle material is G10. Blade is D2 with a flat grind, stone wash finish, and a plain edge. Does have a usable choil, which is very helpful in this knife since it is a little bit smaller. Has a reversible pocket clip. Comes in at about 59.60 on the HRC scale. Comes in several colors. I think more than just these three. I think there may be another one or two. Probably blue and orange be my guess, but I can't quite remember. Didn't look at them all. It is a flipper. So it's manual with a little flipper stud. Opens very easily, smoothly. Has a back spacer. The liner is milled in about 9 different spots to lighten it up, which makes the knife weigh about 2.5 ounces. It is a liner lock. Jimping on the top so you can get a good grip on it, either way you hold it. Let's go ahead and show you how she cuts. We have some paracord here today. We'll just run the blade right across it so you can see it cuts smoothly without any fraying. We'll do a forward cut here. That just pushes right through without any resistance. Teensy little bit of fraying here you can see on the knife itself. Being that this is a drop point, it's going to have a nice sharp point, and it's D2 steel, so that always sharpens up nicely. As you can see, it cuts smoothly and quickly. It'll do nice on the piercing cuts also because of the belly of the blade. It won't pull the knife in. It'll just glide right along with very little pressure. As you can tell, you can cut as tight as you want and feather out the cardboard. And then it's going to cut smoothly when you need it to, for all you cardboard warriors out there. To be honest, this is a great backup knife, or if you need to carry a knife and make sure it's not intimidating, something little you want to use at work, cut boxes, this would be a great starter knife for that. Let's go ahead and break out the other two. As you can see, they open quickly. You can easily close them with one hand and open them with the flip of the finger. And then we have the gray one. So this is the Civivi Odium. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you're a knife person, you definitely want to watch these. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. Giveaways, post every day about knives, all kinds of stuff. You can't miss it. On that note, this is the Civivi Odium. I am C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.